See there?
So me what?
Big up yourself, Street Youth.
Street Youth
One
TV.
Street
Big up
Youth.
yourself.
Yo, Street U TV. Yo, the Youth Them TV. Jonah Reid represent. See? Yeah, in Darcy, Flask and Passy. Modern vampires of the city. Until blood, blood, blood.
Yes. Turn up lights for me, please. It's quite obvious that this is history. 15 years we've been waiting for this. 15 years we've been waiting for this. June 12, 1972, he was born in Jamaica. 1992, he gave us Copper Shot and took the world by storm. Brooklyn is his place. It's Brooklyn in the house. Make some noise. Brooklyn, I can't hear you. Brooklyn, I cannot hear you. When I say war, you say Lord. War. War. When I say peace, kill us. Stop him. Let me catch my breath. New York! New York! New York! It's me so long. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. They tried to separate me from my fans. They tried to separate me from my second family. Yeah, it might be long, but not with blood clot terrorists. Hold on. I want to see all the people who really stand with me over the hardship and the hard times. Me see the real bounty killer fans and another black. Me I say who they not black and bounty fans, but them I represent. Big up King Addies. Big up King Addies. Big up Lion Face. AKA Baby Face. He made this a classic in New York. We're running through the desert, we're running with me. Nothing the beaches, never time on the canteen. Look, miss, look me. I'm in that cup, when it's up here for me. When the people see a gun, they want to see. Come down from our side. Look here, no woman, we get she over high. Full of money and God. I think the man can run in the world and losing. We are looking at the street, but taking up the name. We're not willing to start a jam. How far confidence in that get this same notion. I'm making better than flying. And the baby guy, you cheat like all the first was one. But we pick on level. The young guy got his face on the words what he say. Killer is here, but you don't feel they can't never show me. Hotel thank you and the man and scalping. I want all this, me don't fear no one. Big 41 because I don't see my young. Heard the cowboy, King India, and the year of American. The old Mexican, all the flash was gone. Yo! Boys, listen it. One on. All of the people there will know say you are a senior bounty killer fan. Put up your hand. And young fans, young get blood clot jealous and they need to grow old. Can you all want to stay down with the young? But if you don't hold, you never hold, and the story never told. That's right! Divine I'm restating myself in mistakes. It's a statement, a restatement. Read it. Real bounty killer fans know the chatter like. Only know what people sing now. Say I say, oh no, right, tapa, 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 tapa. Well, look up to the hills, the ways of the turn, this is the way I feel. Politicians of the belt, lace up my cross, rock on my belt. Say, come New York, look in yourself. Politicians are collect a pussy on the shells. Wonder if them don't got a conscience. You're looking for the world. Jamaica doing the house, you know. How would I say PMP and blood clot champion Jamaica can't fix? But they come fix on the foot. But you see them must go now, make me send out with us. When I never bites, man, when I play too loud and some man, I walk on the in the dump in a year. Come back a yard. They must go now, make me send out with us. We must send them out, we know. Every day the party we will go. And what we can rocks like I call them most. Come on, if we start out with us. And then the pop them. They won't keep me with you. They will say, come on, take on roll. It's a big way. You alone of this boy, you have a blood clot finds him. Maybe you want to say, boy, come back, we don't need that now. Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Ready now. Love to love. The world should know that you're a thief. I'm going back to the fans in Brooklyn now. All the people who don't come in the bar. All the people who did not take for me. Get rock the shot. Look at the car. So come, they come beyond the star. Girls and you will say I'm your idol. And then they want you to be my rival. Me to be so like you. She's so like you. Go beyond the star. So come, go beyond. And then we say, but that's why you're not crazy. Really white. She got me massive and dancing. Only from me massive. Go with that white. I'm dramatic. Go turn the one your cheek. Go dramatic. And you can get like a girl. It's so exciting. Everything to the death and left it. Really cool. That's it. No loss it. All the things who they come in this one. Now they get what they did not take for. They go beyond the stars. Girls and you so forget your higher. Then you want it to be my wife. She's so like you. Take it down. New York. In approximately 2 years ago, I lost one of my most daring friends. Dearest and daring and caring. If you're a real bounty killer fan from them, you should have a high who I'm about to mention. A lot of people in Marine scared them crew. From scared them days back in the days. R.I.P. to Boom Dynamite. What time is it? AKA Boom City. What time is it? Now really, I'm Dynamite of a sound on it. And I want to play this song. New York, blood of blood through the city like a dirty papa. This man, they call. And you come over the carrot on the wall. Oh, them is a chatty mouth papa. Who's on the one rifle where we have not started? Like choose the team, go to Waha. Get money, come over the back on the man. Grandma, you can call. This bad man, come from the call. Yes, sir. And when they sing on it, oh, the member I sang, and me and Danny might and Daily Grace, scare them crew and scare them too. All the peace when they can't win the war, when they get what they feel what they want, they got the shot. So when they do that, so far when we leave it to the lonely neighborhood, say the ammunition and gun, with black pushing and the shots are gone, so let the fuck with me side the last one. We kill the fun. What's our love? We never love to see. That's how we do. You understand that? Rest in peace, my brother Dynamite. I know you will be here and you are here in spirit right now. All the people that who lost a loved one, big up on yourself. I lost my angel 13 years ago now. Heart changer, don't mix up. Type of angel. Yo! Ready to you want to give up your release. I'm the first idiot, I'm the young talent, vigilante activist, big gun specialist, I'm half analyst, gorilla analyst, to kill them that is all I wish. Tell them something new to this, who the fuck is who to this? He also come to this, not to mix up with, they gonna start up this, or start another bitch of haunted. If you want now, come over, see them up, get them right over, tell me, make up, ready, give them a watch, and in your mind now, see them watch right forward. I'm trying to sing some of the songs that I never perform on stage. My fans been requesting a lot of songs that I haven't been performing. So play. Thank you. From your smart, I go school you rabbit. John, them can't take you for them thing me from your smart, I go school. Can't take you for what do you know? Watch out, no John, finish your mouth and your tongue. When I know the time, how when we are reach out, why we can't have the friends in later? Can I tell me how she become brave? Walk from a tender age, that's well. Killers not work like slave. The other position, one a head on a raise, okay. She be money worky face. In the tune in the early days, she don't have sense, she would have the eight, come here. If you do it on weekends, day, but I'm sure. I'm not coming out some friends. I turn on the fire, make our roll for place. Once you be enough, you want something else. Oh, child, finish our motor. Oh, child. Oh, child. Tell me, one whole tell me, what me, I'm going to say the war, me tell me, I did not feel me, neither was it, one whole when us going tell me, like that, one tell me, one whole tell me, what me, I'm going to say the war, me tell me, did not feel me, neither was feel me, one whole when us going, come and take charge of us and find some watching, fly down like me, marching to the get some bell, shots and find some, send the mother on the money and the mountain and the beast and the big fat six that you market. Who want to talk like what you do, comes and a bullet. Come on, me, you're talking. Well, come on, let's hear it. I will say it. Send him now. 11. I told you. Some of my real fans want to hear some of my real songs. 11. We even have to remember this one. But we never locked away, some of her never stopped away. Search up a girl to fit the top limit. With a fat piece of money, nothing speak for the killing. Catch it up in the crows and you know that she will it. But if you fall with the roads and you know we will be chilling. The girl in the systemic. What we share between us open totally. Be careful, baby, look. You see them panic, come and grow when we are slamming. On like bionic. Say she love when me explode like a tonic. Worse when we hold that the money and the chronic. It's a boom straight up in a belly like Sonic. So for the consequences when we are running, she says so much pressure. She can't stand it. What a girl when no good for me. Friends, so my girls don't get this company. When we are pushed through, and the day I got on the killer, now she know. Until I get coming out, not soon. Now DJ take a presidency in my room. 90s so let me ever push it down. She wanted for some buff until she said moon. My mother thinks me like bamboo. What up? Yeah. Big fucker. There you go. So, niggas, listen what I say. Play the ball. Look into my eyes, tell me what to say, tell me what you say. Give us something to pay, take from me, the only friend that's all home. Listen to your voice, get in on your friend, then you see me now. Only be talking about the No, me don't like this. No one that they are. Can I just like it? If I security, intoxicated. Sleeping.
You can't sing while you're in your versatile. Oh, wait, time ago. You have to give me just one more. One and three. Acapella.
Let me just say this. It's a pleasure and it's a privilege to be on the stage with the club God himself. Do not give it up for Martin Kilo! Next time! This is history. I'm going to tell you this. One man I'm going to see you. And trust me, I don't know how much you look up to this blood-clad legend. We grew up on the music. We grew up seeing him and adopting the same principle. Them youth here, them elder here, them legend here, help so much away. Yo, one more time, give it up for Martin Kilo!
Mr. Grant, listen! Yo!
So watch out, me not gonna listen for sure, sir. Because I know I said, I have seen to some from my fans over there, right? Right? Watch how we ever start this. I know I said the woman get there, I don't want to go over the light or nothing, you know. What I want? I want the whole world to be in. What I want? God. Let you go. Give me a little African vibe. Give me an African vibe. Lord of mercy, and them thing up. We never know some African too. Watch this. Never been a it.
Hey, Mr. Frisky.
I'm gonna come back over here.
Stay in the same. You can't wanna move. You have to stop with it, ladies. This is Mr. Richard Stephen, my big brother, my vocal coach. Give it up for my brother. You have to sing some this.
To make those forgive. We're gonna do this
bad artist. Give me some man.
Set him always a set your brain come up right now.
Give me some.
Me not go freestyle, man. Me have freestyle. But ladies, if you scream, I wanna hear you now there. The girl who love me like a fresh vegetable. I want to kill on this and not do any rebel. The girl who love me like a fresh vegetable. They want me to know me place on the channel. The girl who love me like a fresh vegetable. And them make me no cross me for rebel. The girl who love me like a fresh vegetable. They say they love me, they say man, I'm a nigga. I may say you want to let me know. Roll me on, me say no, you're not really nigga. Let me tell you something that you wanna know. The love is running down and over. Vegetable, I won't take you long as I can turn you. Ooh! Yeah, there's a finish today. Be a player here.
Listen, I one of the greatest, you know I was an artist, one of the greatest human beings. All who love and appreciate you. Put your hands in it, I just want to clap. I just want to clap. And on top of that, say yeah! Tonight is a celebration of Bounty Killer. Let him go. Jack.
All the people who love their mother, all who love your parents, but especially my mother. She's not here in flesh, but she's always here in my soul.
I know
Big up to my
you
mother, and big up to my wonderful family in the house. All the sisters and the niece and the nephews.
you deserve a battle floor.
You want the driving force in our life.
Mama, you deserve a battle floor.
You taught me how to survive. If you love me,
You deserve a battle floor.
your love was kept we alive.
Mama, you're the number one girl.
You're special to me.
Mama, you're the queen of the throne. Take it from me. She's special. Never had a daddy, now you need it all by yourself. I just want to say to you, thanks for the job well done.
Thank you, Mama.
Show my mama where my papa went wrong. If you love them,
Forgive me for your pain, and forgive me for your lies. Every time I'm wrong. Yeah, that's why the people who cherish their parents to create love life. Big up to all the people who still looking out for their parents. Because some people feel like somehow when you become an adult and you become a person on your own, you don't respond to your parents. My mother could never done in a fucking nursing home. She had been in our house or in a private institute. But no commercial idiots this. Anyway, we're talking about parent. How many musical songs do I got? I don't remember, but I know I got a lot. They call me Father Abraham. Okay. All the people who appreciate the contribution that I've done for this culture, for nothing more than just the love of it, I wanted to put one on the give show me some appreciation for doing good and let me be encouraged to move on. Anyway, time ago, this person I'm gonna call on stage, he's one of my sons, but he's not a musical one, he's a biological musical son. So he's like both. This is Major. Major Major. Where is he? Where is he? Time is going. Come on, ready up. Instant. No itch in the road. Turn him up. Which mic now? And the sound boy. Yo. Turn him up. Let me see what he does. Turn up 5. No, go.
Yo, we love that. Yo, before we start, I just want to say that I'm so proud of you. I love you so much. I'm happy to say you're there. I love Bounty Killer. Put up a shot in the sky. Say yeah. Run that. Get it now. That is it. One of my exes, don't be giving up. Don't know what it is. Maybe it's the love. Maybe it's the fact that I don't give a fuck. Maybe it's the sex. I don't know.
see the shade come off, and they say I'ma always love you, even when we break it off. Don't look back, let's move on. That's my past, girl. I want you. You know we can be. Girl, you should know this. All my exes love me. All my exes want my affection, no lie. That's why she gave this love to my lady. Don't worry, it's her time. All they want is one time.
We no place for keep. Girl, it's from your 2 times. We next time. Yeah. Oi, boy, you sing that song now. Nice with Papa and the rap. Big up all the girls in the room. Show up your last guy like this. Charlie, what are you, Charlie, standing now?
You know, from me up, I love the girl them.
Then the boss.
But dog, I have a problem.
Yes.
I don't want burn in my house. I love the girl them so much.
Yeah, the rest of them.
You know. Yeah. One girl alone can't train my energy. Girl them love me and them sing my melody. Yeah. One girl alone can't train my energy. We sing the peace in the water. Let me talk now. Listen, how them I do if them I want that. From where you to know we never drop the standard. Sticking on my blood, you know them have to understand that. One general I know all that the ground got that. Every girl listen to me, never forget how one that. Got a club on it, blowing at the top. All night long, running from my hot spot. No shooter, man, I can't keep me watch out. Cause you know, no God, no safe when we got brought down. You know, not cold, can't break it, you know that. One girl, 2 girl, we have the contact. On the backseat, that's she had the jar shop. Big black bins, that's she love the cook front. Every time we go to cook, that for them.
Say me your money, don't say my life, me no normal. Who did it, Joe? Who is it? Aisha!
That is all. Look to my father.
Oh, you, the chap on the telephone now. How the feeling? Now, sir, when you get to the money's right, you know we can't go it. How the feeling? Who the ready now? We're there. Active. Do this.
Yo, kid out 6 months ago, and you know, I'm just sick.
If I watch me, you know, we don't watch them. If I chat me, you know, we chat them.
Everybody will. Everybody all over here, I'm thinking about some long from again. Hold on there. Hold on, man. I'm a dressing crowd. Everybody over here can look down thinking about some long from again. Killer. Now time you see me put on my clothes and in the gear, you know. What am I one? You see the underpants here with me. When we sweating night tonight, me not carry back looking number 1. Everybody was straight must have love in on his skull. Me now be trophy must be place, you know. Me say like man looking at good. Watch out now, prove. Everyone was straight and clean, go sabla. Straight and clean, go sabla. Straight and. Everybody show us up. Let me know who you're going to. Stand up, everybody. Stop it, one thing. You know some of your forward in your show, right?
Hello.
I'm going to call me Virgin out in the yard.
Yeah.
See, we are rushing to my show. You don't know, man, book is stoplight. Rushing my car. And if not make it, the man call me a cry. I mean, I said, God, no. What here we going? Everybody just turn on your phone and turn on your light. Give me a moment of silence. Play the song. Randy, we're not there. What here we going? I sure enough for with me tonight, but you don't make it. Hurt me out. Brooklyn, Houston, Springfield, not too long. When I ask you for your man, me love you. We want everybody who you want to get a show, so we can show him on that. What's up? They click the preach and pray, body, daddy. No, he turned me to me. Everybody wants a wheel. What's up? So we know we lose and pray. So we know we. What the lose and pray in our business. What the other way going in a bus of blood. You have some boy when you bust them, they will cut and forget all you. But when you tell them this truth, you have some boy when you bust them, they will cut and forget all you. But when you tell them this Brooklyn, I have paid my name. I'm an African show. Watch your balance. Yo, Brooklyn, enough man. Don't want to show them friend life. And he said, enough take a piece of one, what can breathe, and stand nice. Yo, we say, we stand in your friend. And them must continue, even they can't do it. I don't know if they want to bust up your for your life. But you love your mother, who you want to bust up. Feels so sweet to burn in a tuna. When I ask you, you're very love. I want to know who you're fucking up. Give me the tree every time. Bust up. So we come in lose and burn.
Don't stop it. Life is a struggle. Not amazing. I'm here. True to myself, and me love me life. Me beat negativity, me reach the heights. Religion won't make me still rise. The strength of the soul is within the eyes. When them a try fight me use me mind. Fight out like me strength with force inside. Look at me now. I am a little champion now. Keep on the air, post the man now. Show me no care when the top. No first on the now. The stress from me I'm now. In my life. We are still. Everybody wants a weird person. That is against us. Kente Jomoano. It was a long journey. 15 years of isolation. I watched everybody. Hold up. I watched my career in quarantine and long after fucking COVID gone. My career was in quarantine. But it's guaranteed I would have to be here. One man need praise. One man need fear. And it's the only blood clan potent. Anything God say, that is all right. After 15 years, through blood clan, blood, sweat and tears, we're still here. New York. Before them see God, them see Jesus. That's what. Father, turn the reap on the remix. Ready again. Require from us, how can we on that level. We say some of real but they got 24/7. No way. Father Junior is step out here, the Godfather.
Take it one hand, one hand. Hold your money, boy. Just last year. Rastafari. Yeah, by the way, some Babylon. Yeah, you man. 1, 2.
And she know though.
Politician them a Santa fraud. If they use them guns to toys, do you ever make a circle? Then it be my eye on the before. Not to mention football. I said the human's gonna go. Rioting and freezing, like a sign. The posters to be. Babylon, it's time to see. It's time to set the captive free. Do you ever spend a night in a hotel man like before? Not to mention Rikers Island. Say the insects living on the modern vampires on the city. You could have gone from Lima, I am a macho. You have gone from the house, I am a yeah, I'm 15 years, I'm not counting up. 15 years, I'm not counting up. Out of family. But now, but for me forever. Yes.
Give it up for my father Junior.
The city, until blood.
Myself, when I ready for you, I shut down. Who might have to call them animal control? When you ready for you, I shut down. Who don't have energy left? Who don't have energy left? No, you sound like when you're drinking enough rum. Who don't have energy left? Send out the animal. Who do not know how to walk the animal? You know what you can. You know what you know.
Shit. But listen. Lock off the light. This lights out. Lock off the light. Stop. Stop the signal. This are the man who was me. This are the G, different from the father God of him. But the killer made it after the yes. Salute. Turn on the light and you know. Lock off the light. Then turn on the light. Turn on the light. Everybody put on the gear. Come on the light. Everybody put on the light. Lock off the light. Lock them off. Make them see the king of glory. Yeah. Show them the general glory tonight. Turn off the light. Them in the stadium. Turn off the light. Them. Turn them off. Turn off the people. Turn off that. Walkless. Turn on the light of them. Turn on the sense of them. Turn on the light. Let it go, Tommy. Turn on the glow. Johnny, we can't get on the river. My father, they have more dance. Yo, more dance. Yeah, see it here. Look, one thing killer, youth, that and in general. Everybody, we know say, killer do a lot to dance on. He must elephant, he must father. Put it on in the air. Put it like that there. Who's everybody? Give me this hard right. Bring a rosy, I'm fucking like rosy. Asha, that dog. I sit in the water. Everybody, sit down and say, give me this. Me and my crew and the ones who sit down. Get back together with this side of the gun. And you know what, give me one like something. Me and my crew and the ones who sit down. Kid, I wish I knew father with him. I wish I knew my father with him. Punch up. Hey.
Street UTV, shout out to you. We're about to have a good time tonight, man. Let's go. Bounty Killer and everybody.
So you're a Bounty Killer fan?
Yes.
How long are you listening to Bounty Killer?
Man, since records.
It's record?
Yes, it's vinyl.
Vinyl. I heard that, boss, man. So what's your favorite Bounty Killer song?
I'm gonna be honest, I like them all, man. I don't have a particular
Well,
favorite.
you're just Bounty Killer fan.
Yeah, I like his voice.
Alliance.
I like his voice.
So you're a Bounty Killer fan?
I am, but I
So how long are you
I
listening
like
to Bounty Killer?
Mavado and Adonia too.
Oh, you like? Oh, you like
Yeah.
Mavado?
I do.
I'm a Cornell Campbell fan, but he's already old, man.
So I was a
Yeah, but he's
teenager.
still what it is, man. They do the thing. Yeah.
I collect the records. I love them.
Yeah. So people, this man himself like the shoes. Flats. Woo!
That's that heat, baby.
Yeah, it's a cheap mark on the flats.
That's the summer heat, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes like the flats, isn't it? So that's how we have it.
That's right.
So Street Youth TV.
UTV.
All right. That is it.